Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add text page into your app. The text page allows you to add informative content regarding your business with relative image or videos and promote your business. Let's get started now. Enter your business name and click on next. Based on your business name, the app will show you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on view more categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on next. Now let's add the page. Click on view all here and search text. Click on the page to add it. Here's your text page name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to content section. Enter your content title in the heading field. From here you can add YouTube or Vimeo URL to your text. All you need to do is simply copy and paste the URL in this field. If you want to add your own images or videos, click on Add Image Video button and an image upload field will open. Click on it to add the image or video. Now provide the content in the paragraph field. Click on the settings icon to change the style of the content or to create a deep link or for adding email link. Tick mark this checkbox if you want to enable sharing of your text. Tick mark this checkbox if you want to display listings in reverse order. Click on Add More button. From here you can delete. Now let's move to page style and color scheme. From here you can change the page background. If you want, you can select a background image from our library or choose from our solid colors or upload your own custom background image. If that's not enough, you can also upload different custom images for both portrait and landscape mode or use the same for both modes. You can even change the page layout from here. Next comes advanced elements customization. From here you can change page elements, color, font style, font size, and indent. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.